Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Unleash power and reliability. Own the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71 today. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 109,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 13 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Power and performance, unmatched reliability. Drive the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71 today. With its robust Vortec 5.3L Flex Fuel V8 engine, it delivers 295 horsepower and 335 feet-pounds of torque, perfect for any job. Loaded with factory default features like power windows, locks, keyless entry, and premium audio system, it offers both convenience and comfort. With its sleek black exterior and spacious interior, it's as stylish as it is practical. Plus, with low mileage and a clean CARFAX report, it's a reliable investment for the long haul. Don't wait, test drive now. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.